Hello friends, welcome to Malu Investor channel. This is the Tron series part 1 video, how to install Tron Wallet in phone. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can install it from the phone, and what right now we are in the Tron Wallet.me. As you can see the logo of the Tron Wallet, you can download it from the App Store, or you can download it from Google Play Store, and you can download APK directly from the Android. So today what I'm going to show you is from the iPhone, and I'm going to download from the App Store. So we have App Store ready here. We just need to search Tron Wallet in the App Store, and you will see the result here, Tron Wallet Smart Multi Crypto Wallet. That's the, as you can see, the logo as well. You just need to click on the get button, and you can just download. I'm just downloading it here right now. I'm entering the user ID password. Once it's downloaded, yeah, it's done. Just click on open. Once I click on open, you will get to see the screen. You will get a privacy policy. You just need to read the privacy policy, and once you read, on the bottom there is an option which says I have read and agree to the terms. You just click acknowledge that, turn on that, and then click on continue button. Once you click on continue button, go to the next screen. Here you have two options: create wallet or restore wallet. Create wallet is where what we will doing today, because it's creating a new wallet. Restore wallet is if you already have an existing wallet, you want to restore it to a new phone, or you want to delete and restore, then you will use restore wallet, and you need to have that 12 secret word so that you can enter it using. Without that secret words, you won't be able to do it. Okay, so now we are going to do a create wallet. Click on the create wallet. It will ask you to put a new password. This password is required whenever you transfer the transaction. So enter the password every time you transfer. So make sure you remember that. And then after clicking next, you will key the seed. This is a 12-digit seed. It's given in the order, as you can see, from number 1 to 12. You need to write it down in a paper. Make sure you keep it safely, because you lose this access. You can't access the wallet again. Next time you want to reload it, restore it, you won't be able to do it. So it's very, very important that you write it somewhere. You keep it somewhere safe, not online but offline, somewhere in a locker or somewhere, because this is that critical. If someone gets access to this code, they can load these same 12 words and load access to your wallet actually. So right now I'm showing you is a demonstration. Once I'm done with the video, I will be deleting this account actually. So that's why I'm showing this here. So that's fine with me. So let me write it down. Okay, I've written down, and I need to re-verify it again. So I would need to do it in that order actually. So I have to go by 1 to 12 in the same order. Okay, let me do it immediately. Okay. Alright, so I've done that, and I just need to click on the verify button towards the bottom. Just you see the button, just click on verify. It will try to verify. Once the verification done, it will just give you a reminder that you should not be sharing the seed or private key. Keep it, just acknowledge it, and then you'll reach into your wallet. This is your wallet here, and TRX wallet. And you just need to make sure that this wallet, you will see that coin there, where you can choose a different coin. If you click on that, you have an option to choose Ethereum, BTC, and if you can receive Ethereum, you can send Ethereum, you can receive BTC, you can send Bitcoin as well. So this is the Ethereum, and if you go to send and receive, this will be the Ethereum address. So it's a multi-coin wallet, which is very interesting. And you can click on Bitcoin. Once you click on Bitcoin, you will see the Bitcoin as well. So you have a receive, send. So each of the wallet have individual receive and send address. This is just if you click on send, if you have a Bitcoin balance, you can enter the Bitcoin what you want to send, and then you can click on next button, and then it will ask you to the address where you want to send. You click on the address, and then it will ask you to add a contact. If you don't have a contact, then click on submit. Right now I can't do it because I don't have any balance. This is a new account. This is a receive address. If you click on receive address, you can just copy or share it, because that's how you can receive any Ethereum or any TRX or whatever the coin you will be doing. Okay, so for this part, this is a Tron series, so I'll be doing TRX only. So as you can see, this is a TRX coin here. You have a send, receive, all the options available here. So this is a receive address. This is the address which you want to share it to anyone. Okay, so you can just copy this and share it to any address by while copying it. And after that, once you have a fund and everything, if you want to send, you can click on send. Like I said, you just need to put the amount of balance what you have, click on send, and then you choose the address, type the address. If your address is not saved, you have to save that contact and then click on send. Okay, now let me show you quickly on the bottom options available. So on the bottom, the first option available is a browser. That is where you can join any smart contract, or it's a dApp browser where you can Tron based smart contract. So click on that icon, and once you click on the icon, it will load. This is where you will need to enter the referral link for any smart contract. If you have any referral link, enter this here, copy and paste there, load that website. Once you load the website, you will reach into that smart contract, and then you will have a join button inside that smart contract. So just click on that, and then once you click on that, you would be able to join any smart contract program. Okay, so that's why I just want to give a brief background. Now I'll show you one more option. That is the fourth option available on the bottom. As you see, something like a dollar sign. That is a button which is known as a swap option. So if you click on that button, you can swap. You can actually swap the coin, whichever the coin you have. So let's say you have a TRX, you want to convert Ethereum, you can just click on that and then choose Ethereum, and vice versa. You can Ethereum, you can transfer to TRX as well. So you can do either way from one to other, and that by that way, if you're not buying from exchange, you can just swap whichever the coin. There will be some charges for it. It is going to take some 10 to 15 minutes to do the transaction, and there is a minimum requirement how much you can do as well. Okay, I hope this is clear so far, and they just want to share the basics of the installing and basic how to use. Hope this is clear. In the second part, I will show you how to install the you can install a Tron Link wallet in a computer if you're using it on the computer. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I'll come in the second video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Share this video to anyone who this might be helpful. Okay, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Okay, and I'll see you in another video, and please if you have not subscribed, please subscribe as well. Okay, so thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, and take care. Bye.